Do you know what happens when I feel safe? I can do hard things. I protect my sister and now I'm playing the drums. I am ready. I can think of great ideas. I am focused. There's more. I am a great helper. I feel like a good brother. My little brother tries new things. I can't wait to run back to you. And what about your kids? What can they do when they feel safe? Let us know in the comments.